Welcome to Social this one from the my first experience was like one year before because they remember this last winter at the Arctic Pacific country with the Edmonton they were studying at the this is something with the food and then time they have to pay for that. Yeah. But the thing, whenever they didn't know how to like say this, if you don't even see it, yeah, I would do that stupid thing I could yeah, you can say yes, I want you to hit that certain comments below, please comment on me. Yeah. So I'm gonna switch up from my episode and I'm gonna tell you. This is gonna be really good, so my eyes open first. So ready? So I'm gonna switch them so like what they got. Yeah, if you don't know, my name's is translating, and yeah, I live in Lakeside, and you know about that, is it for also, like, by the way, why do you say his back is translating, but, like, no clear, I don't know, yeah, but, um, um, how is that in the, first of all, the red is there, the blue is here, and the green is here, so I'll say the word, and we use the green here, okay, uh, so why can we you know the musical audio component the first musical one what's that the name kid like I don't know alien this time boy so hopefully I don't do that for maybe but sometimes it costs me a lot of time so not much honestly so today guys you'll see with that credit person for like time for music and musical time always keep the time to never give up I know they're gonna externally using DNA and this history is after my starting with, you know, I already know it's not. So yeah, and also you know magic, magazine, and that's it. I really like magic. This is my first one. It's the oldest, most from the England, and I told the student of the month. I really like when it was the first time written